What is good, fellow humans? It's me, Aaron, and I'm heading into the city to help set up for, we're having a fashion show tonight at the Center for Arts in Panama City, which is excellent because it's not a place that normally has fashion shows. So my homies are putting on the event, so I'm just kind of coming out to be an extra hand to help kind of get the space set up and arranged and all that. So I'll probably show you a little bit of behind the scenes, and come join me. Yo, I did not get this footage, sorry. Yo, I did not capture enough footage of the build out, but I've been here for like 7.5 hours working with the crew here, and man, dude, I'm tired. I've not hardly eaten anything. I need to try to go get a little food in, get cleaned up, and get some clothes on and get back here because it starts in 30 minutes. Can I do all that in 30 minutes? I don't know. I can be fashionably late, right? I sliced this winger, actually took a whole entire large knife and it's hard to show, and I just jabbed it into like that little right in there. I was joking with Lex earlier that I'm like the characters in the film Death Becomes Her where I'm just like falling apart but can just keep going, like, yeah. Anyway, let's go get ready. Okay, so I'm back. My fit for tonight, I got my poet's hat. I'm going for like a streetwear type of vibe. I got different glasses on. Wearing a oversized cut Brixton tee. I got a soft oversized cut denim by Rhythm. I have these fresh hot kicks off the rack from across the way at the Relief skate shop here in Panama City. Yo, that sky was gorgeous that day, man. We out here. Okay, we're walking up the steps, coming into the event space. So I'm just doing like a dirty capture with the cell phone, just so you can kind of get an idea of what it's like being here. Lex and Greg's idea for this catwalk, I think it turned out really good. It looks nice. It looks nice. The whole event space looks clean, fresh, appropriate for the night. These outfits are pretty cool. I didn't capture everything, of course. I'm just giving you some highlights. But there were a lot of very talented designers that were part of the whole show. I came late also. That's nice. We got that jellyfish fringe going on. A little bit of ocean theme going on there. There's our designer. Get your accolades, girl. Get your accolades. Yeah, that's a pretty cool piece right there. Big ups to these models walking on this catwalk. It takes a certain skill level. It was a goal of mine to really try to make sure that these catwalks were not only aesthetic but safe and functional, so that you could actually walk on them and not get hurt. So I'm gonna hold me. I'm like 250. So if you can hold me, it can hold some of these models. All the models, actually. Not some of them. And everything that was involved in this. Here we go. Queen herself. She helped make that happen. The whole thing in conjunction with the Panama City Downtown Renaissance crew. I love this. I love that it's multi-gender. Here's the designer for those shirts. Super cool guy. The elements of the shirts have like reptiles and items from our area that are represented. The intention that goes into all the different details. When you speak to the designers, it's pretty cool. Even like the jewelry pieces that they're all wearing here, these are all in design. Yeah. She sees her baby girl, I know she's gonna scream. Ellie doing her thing. You're a pink pony girl. Great. Okay, this is the after hours at Yard Bar. Yo, we're getting that late night food. Yo, that's what's up. You have like the green onion thingies? Yeah. Getting that food in. We're at Yard Bar. We're having grits with the pulled pork on it. Super dope. Listening to Nelly. Got that STL vibe here. Man, it is like, it's about perfect, man. Like, hanging out with the homies. Like, what more can you want? Okay, I just want to shout out Gwyneth Plowman and her crew. She was like part A of making this happen. Part B, like the yang to the ying, is the Panama City Downtown Renaissance crew. So that's like Lex and Greg and Ellie and the rest of the people that help them out. They are fantastic, but I want to shout out Gwyneth because she's doing some really cool things within the community, both for models and photographers, to like try to get them to be able to develop and hone their craft and become more, I guess, like creative in their crafts. And she's doing a bunch of different events in the area where people can build their portfolios and, like I said, hone their skills. And doing an event like this, this was a big task for our area. We're kind of like a small town, coastal town, and this is not normal. But that's fine. That's how you grow. That's how you create culture and create opportunities for people that dream big. And I'm just excited for events like this and more events to come in the area. So thanks for watching. And stay tuned. Hit all the buttons. Click like, subscribe, or not. Do what you want to do. Follow your heart.